Abusua sese de de upiem dia ene team legal wives omoni abre pa omo nchele na omo ntwe ema obi bia ese no ne enema eko kakra gradually omo se enkunimdie eba enti ama omoni ada hopa na ene yebetie ensem abusua unti bi da ene LUMBA nsensem yi mese unti bi da ene mi wo videos upon videos edema ye ba behwe na wonso wetim agina so ache wadwene na ye bewramu all ya fate side na ababa we bi a strong message bi amane lawyer fate yenim se lawyer fate di bene na media no so wo abra ebi mo che se lawyer fate chechire allegedly wo chechire ena wono ena ebo odo broni esense bebre ena koba mu na yenwura mu na yeni kai enti sa message we na busa me se ene wo bete ensem a unti bi da ene de no bokwa so ene wa join ya na watimi I hate subscribe button so one like video no ache wa adwene e comment section na enkomo no etimi akoye yenti lawyer fate message a ye de amane ni
lawyer fate o se de ndi wo lawyer fate o se ho ahon ni wo ba sin ni mu whereby na that LUMBA late that LUMBA woni late that akedi omunya issue
okay
na wo na sin ya na wo ba sin ni mu na wo che wo se de ba dia PNDC law. Ube raise PNDC law. Sebe kwatia odo broni na nkasa. Of course, because that LUMBA wanya will be a. Into so be kase PNDC law. Odo broni ni ba system na late that LUMBA. Woni Maame Akosua Serwaa omo ye omo properties. Da. Into oba to say in Japan ni nyina wo ho. Into half of the properties no. Ebe wa koye Maame Akosua Serwaa. That's the law. Na kakra na ye odo broni. Na that LUMBA ne ma 60 children now or wuku ewiase nyina no almost about inside. And what are you talking about? Huh? Babe raise PNDC. I don't want to be too full to good news so no.
Yes, I call you.
That's Maame Akosua Serwaa. Woni educated people.
Abusua makacho se ene ensem no de wonti bi da na wo ba bete ene wutim se LUMBA wo na wanye no na enkrofo nim dadaada wo. Timlega mesi omonim dadaada wo because wutie ensem na Ashanti Queen ene obeti wa mo ede babonte a na they knew se we obi anya dey eni honom na abusua me se ene wo beti ensem pa na yenwura hanom na yenkotie question ye se nkrofo ebisa nse LUMBA wu ye ukọ efie ho a odo broni e wo security ye wo sebe security a wo wen odo broni sebe ya boni bia ento no. So the question here is say ebra na LUMBA eti ase no na wo mo anom wo fio enu adwane ema no na omo wo henefa di entra yentimi en contact wo mo na yemi se omo de esi e wo fie ho two de na ese wo hwe security wise no de na obo LUMBA ho ban e wo fie ho no na ono so we enti ayeden e na LUMBA wu ye de odo broni anya security a wo wen no na LUMBA wo fie ho de enam so ma wo wu ye legally wo free mo no eno ne de yenya security bia ema na meka ho asem na yenwura mu na abusua yentie sa enkomo we na me se ene enkomo no de ebeye pinso e wo ha yentie
CCTV cameras na pacho da LUMBA tias no security anu ofio no we si amo na enu ane mo odo broni no we anti sisi no we muntimi me from near kwashi wom ne ba ye papa ni wuye na nsa kase fo ni pa bonefo atimo odimfo a mo bewu a mo yire no makore o benya accident ya umako o be yam wo mo kai mo nsa kase fo yi ye nkoti aye ene ye wosi kenti ye nka asem mutiri so mapapa so musika fi mo wa skula musika papa nka mutua mo wa kase yi wo kase ni ma abada ne no me I'm working for than no me. A Jimmy for penny for more memoir, Muslims also. Jimmy for cook as if for.
I beg you. So, please, I beg you, just for your own safety and your own security.
Oh, no BS, yes, so I'm missing my money.
No, my say, yes, no, can I share my mutual? That's you, your man, what do you want to take? Oh, yeah, 1 year, man. And to know, like, we fully understand that. Reason I'm about up here is because I believe one of our sisters besides said, oh, I don't know, LUMBA, or better yet, Charles, it's German citizen, not German form Muslim. Me patro the Akosua they're pretty much aware. The Akosua omunim pa, but one thing I say, when you're dealing with it's a two different states, like the crow one you know dealing. Inti ansana omo fully best step in no. Say Maame Akosua Serwaa ne Maame Akosua Bempoma exhausted all the legal route in Ghana before they could actually take a step. So they're making note of everything that's going on. And a lot of people keep saying, oh, when I see a LUMBA, and they say, let me tell you something. Guess what? So long as he's buried, the bone itself, the evidence is within the bone. In Ghana, you have been they said the A+ cars, they say, and you say, akoko channel.
Hey.
Listen, they think they bury evidence. You haven't buried shit yet. Me Patrick easily gonna see no said that's so. And I knew hypothetically, we can say, body ni cry you easily gonna see and I will honor. Whatever they did to him, there must be a blood splash, right? Upa 20,000 times. Guess what? You can never run away from forensics. Untimi Janet it. Into German for no engineer, they pretty much knows everything's going on. Wako High Court. Now she's doing an appeal. From appeal, we're hoping and praying and say everything will be settled the way it should be. Say Juma, what do you call it? Supreme Court. It was Supreme Court now must say, oh, teaching trend, no mujina. Guess what? A honey who's on that? Who's boss? Ghana is a shithole country that we all need to understand. Straight up. And to rap here too, wait a minute, so baby. I know so you don't feel, hey, yeah, say, and kwasi asamo koso with your crew name eso. But Mr. Baby, I love you as a brother. Your life means a whole lot. So please, be mindful, because Ghana no, kwasi asamo kromo. I'm sorry to say. I say, kedi Bible, the Quran, to baby, nanki driabunya, the temusa. That's the only thing that these people fucking understand. But unfortunately, you're living in a shithole.
Abusua, we are living in a shithole. And no aye and sama. What is it? Obano eka. Na nsem ni gina NSA. Wohwe appear to nsem a woka. What's it be? You provide security e de ama Odo Broni. Nemo LUMBA te ase no. Ni fio security ano wo ho no. Wo wei. Ade ntina jam question no. Eno ni appear to nsem a woka ye. Wo wie ye. Eno obechem se. Enkrofo oba no so bai no se bi. Ye kasa se yasie no nkrofo nim se wo yasie ni de no ano no bibia to atwa na emom no. Oboa. E de forensic chest scrutiny ebetimi akom. Ama ne body ne bones no kra no ye betimi ahwem ehun de ku no. Ye was so many avenues e betimi awramu de be hu adequate mi ekọ so ofie wa papa no edi free mu. Eti say no akoye chese adwene bi a ese emudo na this time around no ese eye adwuma na LUMBA nsam ni nyina no ekeka. Eti utie ya na eno so eno no now ye wie kra abusua ene Roman Fadda enzu kodi enkomo enura ko cheche ensemu na Roman Fadda ne dia se ne nsam no mu ase wo gidi ase wo ntimi gidi na tie enkomo ekọ so wa bra Roman Fadda ekopie mu ewo GH page na oko grant interview efa de ekọ so because ye say Roman Fadda na manage papa no ene ba ye no ebi mu say allegedly woni Odo Broni wo bibiye ebi say ono kra no ase wotai Odo Broni achi wo yi ye Maame Akosua Serwaa ma enura wo address issues ni na yenti abrante aye friend no Roman Fadda
just for fun. What you say? It's the best Ghana for say moment nya dey dey asundie beba. Ye na ye ba ko. Ye. It is this time more ye. What about say be aye Maame Akosua Serwaa na ani Odo Broni. Omudi nkoma obede. Yes. Yeah. Somebody from obede. But I want to make sure. Ye enjoy na ye my papa ne legacy no. LUMBA ontwemuda. Odi omun kan o meka bia fa LUMBA o. Ontwemuda. Ye ma ye nana no mu. Ombe fili LUMBA. Chale ni o me ba for Ghana Free Party.
Last one. Me so me last question. Oh. Me last say ni me bisa ni say. Okay. The Akosua factions the direct family, the immediate family, the extended family, and the Odo Broni side, and the Akosua how does it make you feel? Somebody who has been around the family for so many years, only on my age, the Akosua one kasa ohuni saying how feel about it.
Oh, why no say me no I feel sad. Oh, say senkaye nanka ye education won I did attembia nim
and I know be so
no be esuan de on dem show Mr. Bones me no nya adwen oh kojo me no nya adwen oh supremo me no nya na ye nya healthy conversation oh fair but on one can e project daddy din no but what must say e project daddy din no okay you musa one question. Why not to say maybe I am Maame Akosua Serwaa and Odo Broniii omodi obi atem. Me can say but what you say?
The outsiders from watching the moment now.
So they will never do that.
But how come the picture beach na man she? Oh, but are you ready?
Me Akosua Serwaa.
For the wife no.
My wife.
Oh, sorry now they got my wife.
Me no.
Roman Fadda ba ku pa ne ho ba.
Me panya
Roman Fadda fat. Me musa question ba. Come on, Zaraman, yeah. Me say ampon. Nso kwasara no koma nkofu bebre kwasara no ma no ba menim se bia Fadda wa ha onye opportunity ekọ chia no ma na kwa ba eno na edikan ana secondly nkofo nso ka and you true so menim be on the obey diplomatic about it kama na papa tiase no great ampon of the can sim bia na very pleasant nenkai ende no kre ana okoko chia ma Ghana for run commentaries on can sim bebre say na nkeni so man opportunity no menim ensem na okano na ha papa ana wasan so any opportunity aba maame no ho no ohu e feel say eno a nze we dey ka say
me hu ye oh say on say ye ka say obi can say obi enemy enya obi enemy but what I say what about say bia so we nim koma ye Maame Akosua Serwaa ne ampon di but what I say e bi no na ka say bia ye wo ye no let's assume say bia and twa ya na say bia na say bia ka onya bote say ne say ya what I say me hu ye no chem so bia enemy enya obi enemy and enim koma e kan say o me no di ya some no me no me ye empening for what you say hands no me no me ka afa yeah
what by the way
pastor I me me party sem
abusuanti ene Roman Fadda na te se wo kan nsem honom no na yehwe me se enkomo ne de bebri na ene wa hanom na chese maame bi enso afaya papa na waka achemu the hustle chese emma omo abuchi omo fam enti wo hwe de ono ye na o compare to enima Maame Akosua Serwaa eye ya wotimi ede bo LUMBA ma ene obia ti LUMBA nka obi ebo LUMBA di no wajira to akasa ensem bi ede ache ewiase na yenti maame no ensem ne hu the kind of hustle a omomote outside no omokom enti obi ho no obua obi a o se ede ne bo e man yenti nkomo no
Jigaman, so light mommy. So light mommy. No, I train. Me say on. Mahu tali a shamia me de me ro me ho. Panifo e. Ghana panifo. Arochire ha. Opeso obedi ho ate. A opeso be adwuma. Enya obia na tina ma me no ye adwuma. Na adwuma no ye night shift, ye afternoon shift, ye morning shift. Siafo. Me se mo pese mo be hia de ye be kire mo manners. Sa matete ya bre, matete ya se ye kwa. Papa panyin na waye wo 90 dwentire asiam panyin wo num kankan. Ate, oba be dino be kasa dai papa shi ye dai edi Maame Akosua. Onse mo kasa nyina ye fon. Mo kasa nyina ye fon. Sister, me do be Sunday.
Sister, Pia, wasi mama mo bla wa broche nti na obe pli LUMBA ja pade wo bo bla nko me pli LUMBA ja
pade. Fo be ma sister papa penina wa jibi sa. Obi tia broche me tia broche na me hustle 24/7 no. Abo na se mi kula na se me ba be pe ja pade o se ma be pe ja ma pe ja pade. Abo wa non touch ro ate. Wa non touch ro. Papa penina wo jimi na wo jimi aye seketechuwa no. Kwasia wo tantane wo no fia se kokko akore. Abo jimi for tata for papa penini. So we pede pade na ko me pede o me pa wo shu mo shu ketekete no. Papa wo no kan abo sadi for papa for. Ghana nkwane to have me say na obo hu say obi beto pan no this sadi be say sardine bread. Kwasia for Kokole se yedi ayibo ma me se wo jimi te sa fiber no ase wo di oat na so na hoodin nim.
Mrs. Sister, yeah, why you papa she? Was say papa she ni adwuma yeti na ode ne ho abọ mama ase wa no.
Me say omomu
Mekani ni na. Mo ya de ma ne ya reho saa dey. Papa penny wa be so camera si uzu say na ayi Mama Akosua Serwaa ne papa she your concert. Omo ya concert say na omo ina na ma bra mu di sika ni ja no. Adey.
Some person when you calling for boot why you no be calling boot for boot. No be calling boot. What you say? Kwasia na wo betra agbo we mu na wo say yes papa yamfa mo kwatin kitinkiti na ye adwuma ye dia wetie na ye adwuma mama she deserve everything no be tie
Pani picture
na mo tufo na mo na mutia na mo de be ye mo muwa onu mu kankan wate wo fisa wo kontunkura ni awo wo tafeta achinchim wate abo da kitinkiti wo chacha dada kwasia tro baba je japade wa ho
Pani picture ni ku achi no mu hu no. Phone work.
This time we're not giving you people any peace of mind. No. We're gonna romp with you, man. We're gonna romp with you. You know what make you say? Now me a rascal from my secondary school years, university days. Me a rascal, me a baddest bitch. So me show me biao. Me say me to Sunday. Me mo acapella no. Kong. What? Now about motom para papa penny about motom para bia bo kuma. But now kwasia dancing kani papa. O katra ma ya wate. Abo wo no nam bebrebe. Kwasia no chim sa kreton toa. Ko ebusa bla manku kreton toa. Chim kreton toa. Abo funu. Kwasia Serwaa sa yale fo no. Aba be Jimmy so aba pede pade. Hey, me catch am na mutie mpanyefo. Ghana ya bo brasie. Aha she. Yan si ye to dan ya baba beto no ye krom. Na se BBC baba be pre wo ye krom because ya sase no no. E be dey na betia no ye Motherland no muwa.
No.
Ya ka se Ghana Motherland o, enya Fadda e ye mother oba na eru muwa.
Adaya wasi mama mesie lumba. Akosua bempoma no wo Ghana no ko mama ni ko hu lumba. Akosua bempoma oni baby o musie lumba. Akosua bempoma oni papa ke what tuntuma.
Mother, Cha, panifo yo so me catch la me sin tontura hunu nko a o mbeba. Na botro mai sa gogome no binimu muwa no. Omo de ntiri gum so omo betete. Me se de ntiri gum so me kam yemu kota, me kam yemu jamuwa. Me se de se mo di interpol. Ene baba chia wa. What the interpol beba because to come a war medical catch me say we are forever ready for this banter war. Me na mo ba usam baba ko mo djuma me betimo. Me baba ko me dimu to mama mu chimi no obi aba call remes. We want what? Asia fo no kan. Papa fo mo no afro mo no nya nyan. Ya ba mo nchane de tisie. Ade ye ntimi nkan first papa no bon kro ntimi nkan. Asia fo yale fo. Mua mu chumu brikan kam ko tato to so mu yebtimi boss ha ni adwane mua. No be for the Jimmy.
Kache holumba. Utimi kache holumba ile se wo ya concert na eja ko ne lewe mu.
Na o le che concert papa penny na I was sim nam say 27 angles. Was sim nam say 270 angles. What a child concert. Uba was with Jimmy here. When you went Jimmy my your moto. Abetuna kasi I was said ya kranya fa. When you so much.
Omunimuno.
Omeda.
Omuso omunimuno fa ne picture to echi omunimuno.
Mama hwese mesa metimi ahuna.
Aha, yeah. Oh, baby our yeah first one.
Me da me na me. Hey, brother Nyankopon. Papa fo be pa. Hey.
Aha, no wa ko pi. Oni papa.
na body wo was a somna we no aboa me na body kura mfu kwase asa no awon ne kaka ne se kaka nko awon ne sia pro edienu egwen kwase ampanyi ne egwen ujimi no egwen papa ujimi no eduenu so wa ba ha say eduenu I put so me say eduenu wunya ni jimifu a eduenu oba
is that there
jimifu ba be fit ya eduenu
me kwano comment section ko ka chen say enti yeso si ni so e be there was on slow timiga
ne bo me so to say lollipop cheese ni kwasia wa cheche bo wa chire wate wa cheche bo timu tro kan ye apo jimi wani twetwe bia bi se twemu ba kwasia na me ba ya o eduenu empanyimfu we eduenu na ngangafu we eduenu Akosua Serwaa sim eduenu na me ye hunu mu chimi no eduenu muwa eduenu wo bo na me ba ya o answer no so na la bia me ba le ti da me kalwa sere wu mama nkasata so no moto kasata
Adai papa peni say wo je dey
eduenu panifo mowa eduenu mu de mu chimi no eduenu sapoti matse de eduenu e be ya kire mu du eduenu panifo mowa krokro na mu kronkro pas papa we yo
so na me ma ba comment section pa ka cha wo say
eduenu
mama me kwia say mama
eduenu panifo mowa eduenu ejimifo enuenu asia what we obekora supporter net what say to we kwasia we what supporter o supporter wa ni say sram do so kromo to tafo bebemo me so mo mutimi di am ye moa bisa se papa we di fruit da be ni woni bi dante na adwene nyina skata oni fruit da papa enne ye Monday days ni na Monday na me ye kama Maame Akosua ye mamo kwa me se mo di intapo be fa yen no asamwe se wonni adwene a eduyenu panifo mwa eduyenu agimifo mpanifo eduyenu se wonni suban edudi nkolafo eduyenu pasematefo eduyenu nkwase yabafo eduyenu mwama eduyenu se magimi apiatus sande baba mama beat papa me papa me twane mama wate
mo waya
de bia wo sesia prosa na me twane mama
me dasi
mama beat mama na jiwa sum asia dem de ba no motherfucker, we have time for all things that we do. We don't have time to we don't have time for you. And then I want to listen to good news. And then come to go to school. Maybe for bowling me for mommy.
Australia, remember about comment section as papa. As some who cover your mommy, team legal wife. Yeah, about so many nights wait was once in a night wait. Mopa momla. Hey, papa,
remember Swan Kasa. Me da meba so asia aboa wo to atia wate we ko head supporter say kakra say chenku the supporter say chenku eduyenu papa jimifu we eduyenu wo do na me ba yaw kwasiada this time me na mo hotama mama say me say do obi be ka bia me say assessment me maame ayaka I'm fighting till I die. I'm not stopping a bit because you want someone jimi na jimi ni but if someone jimi say tutunto makwasi yakoko sasanti amane mututu ayi akuntunkunia na wo yanyansani kwasi ampane so ya so kira disi ye wujimi saa no awo nank denk se chupa no abo wo se kwa 260 angles what chamese
afa
wodi mu tantan wate abo ni kete so sho ase
mo
o betile ba betimo bon kamele ba faso bon kamele ba faso Some you won't show respect for Ma. Some you won't show respect for Ma. And let me give you one tips here. In Abochire has say, we have time for everything. Obiti Martin Abochire has said 20-something years on Pia Montenda. I have said na Ma. That's one pekwati when you be sa no idea. It exists here in you. But Ghana for me to Chrome has say. What you say? Etimitina Chrome say 30 years no ohun oba ho krada. E happy Abochire. Timpani for me dey to anim say I say nyam nya kwatie die. Ate Na mo em won mo kasa na mo kasa kwat. Ma be na me fere mo. Agati na me massa. Wo many a hot time. Say me hu say changing the appear to find the mama nyom. The man beats. Papa we let you show.
Yeah, sister. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Abusuanti ensam no na wonya bia wutie ye me se omwo amanone no omofa mu. They are passing through a lot. When they are able to use their resources to make someone, bro, it's not a joke. Ode obaswa na wache wadwene comment section there be asa de make no ene ye wuye team side checker na wache wadwene team legal wife ene ye Maame Akosua Serwaa na so wache wadwene afi team papa shee ene koyo nso na no so watimi agina so ache wadwene isabishia.